Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Owatos. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. I will be giving you the work progress report on what is happening at Ikeja. I have done a video on the ongoing construction at Ikeja. If you haven't seen it, please do try to check it. But I can tell you that works is rapidly going on at Ikeja, and I will keep updating you as work progresses. But today, I will be showing you the work update at Ikeja, the overpass and its transition, and see the level of works done on this section of the road. So guys, sit, relax and enjoy as I take you around this construction.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness. It's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
Thanks for watching this video up to this extent. If you love this video, please don't forget to subscribe and share with your loved ones. We'll meet in the next one. Peace.